Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you some products that I received from Beebeecraft. And I'm going to be giving you some information from Beebeecraft in case that you want to work with them, and they're going to be sending you the products, and you're going to need to make some videos for them and publish them in your channel. And the only requirements is having 100 subscribers or more. So they let me choose, and this is what I choose. This is so pretty. It's a lot of stuff that you can choose from. So this is the stuff that I choose. Let me show you. If I can open it. It's so pretty. It's like a chain. You know, for when I make those glam videos. Let me see if I can see the name of this over here. No, but you guys aren't seeing it. Are seeing it. This is so pretty. And then I got this one over here. This one is in gold. You guys see? And then I got this one that I completely love. This ribbon. It's like a ribbon. To me, it's a ribbon. You guys see? Sorry about the noise. Look at this, you guys. This is so pretty. And with all these items, I'm going to be making some real nice projects, and I'm going to be sharing it with you right after I'm done showing you everything. And remember that I'm going to be leaving Beebeecraft information and link down in the description below. Also, I'm not sure if they let you choose from up until $40. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, I think it's $40 without no special offer or coupon or anything like that. And you choose anything you want, and then they send it to you. And then they give you, I think, 2 or 3 months for you to come out with the videos. And you see these mirrors. Love them. I worked with these mirrors before and I love them. So yeah, this is the stuff that I choose. I'm going to be trying everything, and I'm going to be giving my review to Beebeecraft. I really want to open this for you guys to see it. Let me see if I can open it. There you go. It's a real nice bag. Oh, you got another one. But yeah, that's the tape. But you guys can see. You see, it's gold. Now you can see it better. Those rhinestone gold chain. And this one I'll show you right. I think this one is more easy to open. Let me see. I want to share it in the right way and show you guys everything. Look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Look at this. It's so pretty. If I'm not mistaken, this one and this one is the same one. This is in gold and this one is in silver. You see? Real pretty. So yeah, I'm going to be coming with some projects and I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. And I'm going to be letting know Beebeecraft about this. And remember, you need to have more than 100 subscribers in order for you to participate in having some free items and making some videos and review for Beebeecraft. And all the information is going to be down in the comments, in the description below. So stay put because next is going to be